Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. If you are a return subscriber, then I welcome you back. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to create an e-commerce website. So this is an example of the e-commerce website. So with this e-commerce website, you can use it to host any of your products, either digital, physical, or an affiliate product. You can use it to even host a licensed product. So this website goes with any kind of product that you have. So but before we go into the creation parts, if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification so that whenever I release a new video, you can be able to get a notification for that. So for us to be able to create our website, first you need a domain name and a hosting. So if you don't know where to get your own, I recommended Namecheap for you. So Namecheap is one of the best hosting platform. So this is not a Nigerian hosting platform, so that is why I normally use it. And again, you can also use Hostgator. So Hostgator is also a good hosting company that you can use to host your website. And the third one is Hostgator. This is also a good hosting company for you to be able to host your website to increase the speed of your website. So there are a lot of hosting companies, so there are a lot, but I normally use these three for my particular website because these three has been giving me what I need. So I'm going to be dropping a link in the description below in case you wanted to get your own. And just take note that if you purchase anything using my link in the description, I'm going to be getting a commission for that. So this is how to appreciate me for dropping a nice video like this. So but for you to be able to get this this particular hosting, either Namecheap, Hostgator, or Hostgator, so you need a dollar card for you to do that. But don't worry, I'm also going to be dropping a video above this video right now, or you can check in the description of this video on how you can be able to create your dollar virtual card as you can be used to pay money. You can use to pay bills online in dollars. So you can use it to pay bills in dollars. Just know that it's dollar virtual card for you to be able to use it to pay bills in dollars. So once you have successfully got your domain name, so you need to log into your cPanel. So this is my cPanel now. So the next thing we need to do is that we need to upload our script. So for you to be able to do that, you need to come to File Manager here. So you click on File Manager. So once you click on File Manager, then if you have a domain name already, like if you purchase a domain name with your hosting, so you need to come to public_html for you to be able to locate your root domain file manager, because this domain is the domain that you purchase with this hosting. So for you to be able to get that domain is public_html. So but in my own case, I already have a lot of domain in this hosting, so I'm just going to be using one as a folder for me to be able to use it to create this website. So I'm just going to come to this particular URL here. Then I'm just going to create a folder and then upload my files in those folder. So let me just use shopping. Okay, and I create folder. So the reason why I do this is because this particular URL, I have already created a website in this URL. So but I just want a subdomain of this, so that's for me to be able to show you how you can be able to create an e-commerce website. So for me to be able to visit this URL, I just need to put in my domain name / this shopping that you are seeing here now for me to be able to access this file. So but in your own case, you just need to put it in your root domain, which is that public_html, or you can add an add-on domain to do that. So once I have already created my folder, so the next thing we need to do, we need to upload our file. So you click on this upload button here. So after you click, then you select your files, then let's locate our file. So this is the file here. So I'm going to be dropping this file in the description below, so make sure that you watch this to the end. So I'm going to be dropping everything you need in this file, either the license, the username, everything you need. I'm going to be dropping it in this video. So just you need to do now, you need to wait for this upload to complete. If you look at here now, you see that the uploading is in progress, so you have to wait for this upload to complete. So let's give it a minute. Okay, so if you look at this place now, you can see that this button has turned to green. So whatsoever you're uploading on your cPanel, so make sure that this turn to green first for you to be able to go back. Then once it's green, means that it has been uploaded successfully. So now let's go back. Okay, so here now, this is this file that we just upload. So this is the file that we upload. So now we just need to extract this file. So by doing that, you can either click this button or you right click here and then you click on extract. So you just extract it here. Okay, so here now we just need to close this. So now we need to click on reload to reload this. So here now, this is the folder that we just extracted, right? So we just need to delete this. We don't need this anymore, so you just delete it. So now you just double tap on this, and so here we just need to move all this file back to the root domain. So we need to move this. So by doing that, you just need to click on select all and you click on move. So we just need to remove this. So we need to remove this and move it to this place. So we click on up one level, then we go back. So here now, this is the domain. So we have already moved everything here, right? So the next step we need to do is we need to create our database. So let's go and create our database. So now let's go to the cPanel menu, then we scroll down to my SQL database. So you just click on it. So after that, then you just need to type in your database name here. So I'm just going to be using shop. Then you create database. So now let's go back and let's create a database for this usual. So let's create a usual for this database. So now we scroll down and then we create a usual for this database. So I'm just also going to be using the same name. If you can use any name that you want, but make sure that is a name that you can remember. So because we are going to be needing this database, so let's click on password generator. Then we copy this. Make sure that you copy this. So I have already copied. Make sure that you copy this and then paste it in a safe place that you can use it later. So I have copied this, then I click on I have copied this password in a safe place, then I click on use password. So after I click on that, then you create usual. So you click on this create usual button. So now we go back. So now the last thing we need to do is that we need to connect this database to the usual. So we need to scroll down to do that. So now we need to add usual to database. By doing that, you just need to click on this drop down here and then you select the database that you just created. So this is the database that I created, then this is the usual. So then once you have already selected the two that you just created, now then you click on add. So after you click on add, then you click on all privileges, and then you click on make changes. So here now we have successfully created our database and then successfully added this to usual. So this is our database username and the database password. So the database username and the database. So this is make sure that your password is safe, because I have already copied my password in my clipboard. So now let's go to our home, to the place that we installed our file. So here now, this is the place that I installed my file. You can see that this is the domain name. They can see /shopping. So this is it here now. So after that, just make sure, let me just refresh this. So here now we just need to start the installation, right? So you can just click on check requirements. Okay, so everything is okay. Then we check permission. Okay, so in this place now we just need to give this permission. So we just need to give them access to our folder. So to give them permission to our folder, so by doing that, you just need to go to our file manager. Make sure, just know that the place we need to locate is the number one is storage/framework, right? So let's go to storage/framework. So let me just locate my domain. This is my domain. Okay, so I'm just going to go to okay, so this is it here now, storage here now. So this is storage. You click on storage, and this is framework, right? So you just click on this, and then you right click. Just tap on this storage and this framework, and you right click. Then when you right click, then you come to change permissions. So once you click on change permissions, you check this button here. So you check this button, which is group. So here now is now 773, which what they say we should do here, 773, right? So once you do that, then you click on change permission. So you reload, and now let's reload this page. Let's check. Okay, if you look at here now, it's now good. So this side now has been completed. Then let's look for the second one, which is storage/log. So let's do the same thing here. So look at it here now. Then we change permission. So we make it to 7. Then we change permission. So the third one is Bootstrap. So we are going to look for this folder. So this is it here now. So this is the folder. Then we change permission. Then assets, then image. So we need to go to that location. So this is it here. Then images. So we change permission. Okay, so sitemap and file. So sitemap and file. Okay, so resources and lab. Then let's look for resources and lab. Okay, look at it here. Then we make changes. So this is the last one. Okay, so once we are done, then we reload this page. So now, as you can see, everything is now good to go. So let's verify our license. So I'm going to be dropping these license parts in this video. So I'm going to be dropping this. So now the next thing we need to do is we need to input our email and our license, right? So I'm just going to be using my email here, and then make sure that this is your email. So you can see that this mail will be used to inform you about urgent notice, announcements, offers, sales, etc. So this is your email. Then let me put my Evanto license and username here. So let me put it. Okay, so let me put my purchase code. So this is my purchase code here. Then I click on verify. As you can see, verification verified successful. So now you just need to put your app name. Let me just use shop. Let me just use shop. Then app URL. So change this to your website URL. So let me just use this. So here now you can see the database name, the usual name, and then the database password. So make sure that you copied it. Let me just paste my database password first because I copied it in my clipboard. Okay, so this is my password and the usual name. So let me go to where I created this. So this is the username, and the username is also the same with the database. So if your own is different, make sure that you copy the two. Then when you see usual name, then you come to this place and then you paste the username. So this is the username here. You come to this place and paste the username. So database, you also come here and then copy the database and then also paste it here. So you paste it here. Then after that you click on install. So now you just have to wait for the installation to complete. Wow. So if you can see that our installation has been successful. So the Laravel has been successfully installed. So look at everything here. So now you just need to close this window. So let's wait for it to load. Wow, awesome. Wow, as you can see, we have successfully created our e-commerce website just in few minutes. So the next thing you just need to do is that you just need to edit all this stuff to suit your business, to remove all this and go to your admin backend and change whatsoever you wanted to change. So for you to be able to go to your admin backend, so the thing you need to do, you just need to come to your domain name, and you put in admin, then you click on the enter button. So in this place now, this is where you are going to have access to this login to your admin backend. So let me just put in my password. So this is the default password and email and password. So this is the default email and password. Let me just paste it here. Then this is it. You click on login. So here now we have successfully logged into our backend, right? So this is the place where you manage whatsoever that is going on in this website. So you manage anything that you wanted to manage here. So you can just come to this place. If you want to add your products, you can come to products and then you click on add products. So you can see is either physical product, digital product, affiliate product, or a licensed product. So you can also set up a campaign for this. So the reason why I love this script is that this script has a lot of features. So this script has a lot of features that you can use to manage your e-commerce business. So you can come to manage sites, come to general, and then you change your front, like the color of your front, or you can also change your themes. So this is the page title, the home page title, this is your site website name, or you can also change a different theme. So this website has, let me say, up to 4 themes. So let me just change this to number 3, and then let's select it. So this is the number 3, this is how it's going to look like. Or this number 4. So let me just select number 4, and then let me click on submit. Then let's view the website. So it has been updated. So now let's view the website. Okay, so as you can see, it has been successfully updated. Wow, which is very nice and good. So you can just go to the back end and edit whatever you wanted to edit. In case if you get this theme and you don't understand, you want my assist, then I'm going to be dropping my WhatsApp number in this description. So for you to be able to get this theme, you are going to pay 10,000 naira only just to get this theme. So this theme, I sell this theme for 10,000 naira. So if you are ready to get this theme, click the link on the description to get this theme right now. So I'm going to be helping you in case you are facing any difficulties in this theme. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification so you can be able to get a notification when I release a new and awesome video like this. So see you in my next video.